All right, to frost our apple cake, I'm going to use Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1, the buttercream frosting right here. All right, now, I'm not going to use butter though. I am going to use shortening just because it's cheaper. And I'm going to add just a little bit of butter flavor. And that's a cheaper alternative to buying butter, which is super expensive right now. Okay, and then I got my milk, just a little bit of milk. Holy cow, this mixer is crazy. Okay, I have one mixer that blows everything to smithereens, and then I have another mixer that doesn't go fast enough. So I gotta get me a new mixer. Okay, now I'm gonna add my homemade vanilla. A nice splash. This is going to a mom who just had her 6th baby, so I'll add an extra large splash for her in there. She's gonna need it. Sorry. This is what happens when you have 4 biological kids and 1 semi-adopted. This is how you end up. Okay. Sorry. Let me compose myself. All right. Now, that's all there is to homemade frosting. Super easy.